Welcome back to TechGetter Official. Today we will learn how to create a Facebook business page, step by step. First, open Google Chrome and search for facebook.com in the search bar. Once you're on Facebook and logged in, look to the left-hand menu and click on See All. This will open more options. From these, click on Pages. Now Facebook will display some information about what a page is. Here, now you'll enter the basic details of your business page. First, choose a page name. This is the name your audience will see. Then add a category like personal blog, business, finance, or any that fits your purpose. In the bio section, describe your page in a short sentence. This bio appears below your page name and helps explain what your page is about. After filling these fields, click on Create Page. Once your page is created, the next section will ask for more details like contact information, phone number, and email. Then enter your location details, if your business has a physical address. You can also fill in your business hours, set opening and closing times for each day of the week based on your availability. After filling in all this, click on Next to continue. Now it's time to upload visuals. First, add a profile picture, usually a logo or something related to your business. Then upload a cover photo, which appears as the banner at the top of your page. Next, Facebook will ask you to add an action button. This is a call to action for visitors. You can choose buttons like Book Now, Sign Up, Contact Us, or Send Message depending on what you want users to do. After selecting, click on Next. Now you'll be asked to connect your WhatsApp number with your page. You can link it for better communication or simply skip this step by clicking on Skip. After this, a notification page will appear. Click on Done, and your Facebook business page is now ready. Once the page is created, you'll see several tools and features such as the professional dashboard, insights, and promote. If you want to run ads or promotions, click on Promote, and Facebook will guide you through the steps to advertise your page. You can also edit your details anytime by clicking on Edit Page Info and save any changes. You can also add hobbies or interest tags to your page by clicking on Add Hobbies. To post content like photos, reels, or go live, just click on Create Post. When you want to update your profile picture or cover photo, simply click on Edit and upload new images. If you click on Manage, you'll see options like About, Post Reach, Engagement, and Likes, useful for tracking how your page is performing. In the About section, make sure to add all important business details. Under the Mentions tab, you can track when others tag or mention your page. The Reviews section will show feedback from your audience in the future. In the Followers tab, you can see how many people are following your page. The Photos tab will show all the photos and cover images you've uploaded. When you click on More, you'll see even more page management options. The bell icon at the top shows your notifications. By clicking your profile picture, you'll see options like Meta Tools, Settings, and Log Out. You can also create a post quickly by clicking on Photo, writing your thoughts, and clicking Post. Once posted, viewers can like, comment, and share your updates. And that's it. You've now created and fully set up your Facebook business page. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.